Hi, this is Mrs. Kowalski, and today I'm going to show you how to use some of the PearDeck-Drawing Tools. So I'm going to teach you how to type, underline, highlight, write with a pencil, and how to erase. Okay, so let's start with the typing. To type, I'm going to need a text tool. I'm going to pick the text tool, the color of the font that I like. I'm going to use brown, and then you click wherever you want to type. In this case in here. Then I'm gonna type the answer to my question. Right? What do you see? What happened? The skirt. Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and fill out the box next to it. So again, I'm gonna click on the text tool. And the question is why? Because of the dog. So again, I use the text tool. If I want to change the color of the font, I can do it in one simple click. Okay, now next thing that I need to do is underline cause in yellow. Go to the pencil, get yellow, and my cause is the dog, so I'm gonna underline it. Not the best line, but that's okay. Now underline effect in red, so I'm gonna need red. And I'm going to show you a different way. You can use the line to underline things. Make sure your line is not too big. This is probably a good size. Go ahead, get the red line. And there we go, here's a perfect red line. If I want to erase something, I can click on the eraser. Erase. Okay. Then I can redo it. I want to have a straight line. As long as I can. Here we go. There it is. And then it says in here, write something he may say. So we are talking about this guy. I can use the pencil tool. Make the speech bubble. And maybe it would be better to just type what's inside. And he can say, oh no. And that's how I can type in a speech bubble. Alright. So here's how you use some of the tools. Again, to undo, you can click on this. To erase, you click on the eraser. Now, if you don't like what you did on the whole slide, you can throw everything in a trash to clear the whole slide. This clears everything that you did. But you can always undo it. Again, I'm gonna clear my slide. Do you enjoy it? And see you next time. Bye.